Breaking news for Social Security recipients: your bank account might be getting a major boost this week. Two separate $7,100 direct deposits are scheduled to hit accounts in just 6 days, but there's a catch. You need to know exactly what to do to make sure you don't miss out on these payments. Stay tuned, because I'm about to reveal everything you need to know about these massive deposits and who qualifies. Before we dive deep into these life-changing payments, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss crucial updates about Social Security benefits, stimulus payments, and other financial news that could put more money in your pocket. Also, smash that like button if you want to see more content like this. Now, let's get into the details of these incredible deposits. You might be wondering, why are we getting two separate deposits, and why now? Well, the House has just confirmed a new schedule that's going to change the game for millions of Social Security recipients across the nation. This unprecedented move comes as a response to the rising cost of living and the ongoing economic challenges many Americans face. Let's break down what's happening. The House has approved a measure that will distribute two separate $7,100 payments to eligible Social Security recipients within a 6-day window. This isn't your regular monthly Social Security payment. This is additional support aimed at helping beneficiaries cope with inflation and rising expenses. Now, you're probably asking yourself, do I qualify for these payments? This is where things get interesting. The eligibility criteria have been specifically designed to target those who need the most assistance. Primary Social Security recipients who have been receiving benefits for at least 24 consecutive months are first in line for these deposits. But there's more to it than just being a recipient. Your income level plays a crucial role in determining your eligibility. The House has established specific income thresholds to ensure the funds reach those who truly need them. For single filers, the adjusted gross income limit is set at $75,000, while joint filers can earn up to $150,000 and still qualify for the full amount. But don't worry if you're slightly above these thresholds, there's a gradual phase-out system in place. What about SSDI and SSI recipients? I hear you asking. Yes, the good news is that Supplemental Security Income, SSI, and Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, recipients are included in this initiative. However, there are some additional requirements you need to meet, which I'll explain in detail. One of the most common questions I'm getting is, why are they sending two separate payments instead of one larger payment? The reasoning behind this strategy is actually quite smart. By splitting the payments, the government can better manage the distribution system and reduce the risk of technical glitches that could delay the funds reaching your account. The timing of these payments is crucial. The first deposit is scheduled to hit accounts on the first day of the 6-day window, with the second payment following exactly 5 days later. This schedule was designed to ensure that recipients can better manage their finances and plan their expenses accordingly. But here's something you absolutely need to know: these payments won't come automatically to everyone who's eligible. There are specific steps you need to take to ensure you receive both deposits. First and foremost, your direct deposit information needs to be up to date with the Social Security Administration. If you've changed banks or accounts recently, you need to update this information immediately. Many people are asking, what if I usually receive my benefits by check? For these special deposits, the government is strongly encouraging everyone to switch to direct deposit. The reason is simple: direct deposit is faster, more secure, and guarantees you'll receive your funds within the designated time frame. Now, let's talk about what makes these payments particularly special. Unlike some previous government payments, these deposits are not loans or advances on future benefits. They won't affect your regular monthly Social Security payments, and they won't be deducted from future benefits. This is additional assistance designed to help you cope with current economic challenges. But what about taxes? That's another frequently asked question. These payments are being structured as economic impact payments, similar to the stimulus checks distributed during the pandemic. This means they won't be counted as taxable income for the current tax year. However, you should still keep records of receiving these payments for your tax documentation. Some of you might be wondering about the verification process. The Social Security Administration will be using their existing systems to verify eligibility, but there's an important step you shouldn't miss. They're recommending all potential recipients to log into their My Social Security account online and ensure their contact information and payment preferences are up to date. For those who don't have an online account yet, now is the perfect time to create one. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Having an online account will also allow you to track your payments and receive important notifications about these deposits. What happens if I'm eligible but don't receive one or both payments? This is a valid concern, and there's a process in place for such situations. The Social Security Administration will be setting up a special hotline specifically for inquiries about these deposits. They'll also have an online portal where you can check the status of your payments and report any issues. The impact of these payments cannot be understated. For many Social Security recipients, this additional $14,200 in total could make a significant difference in their financial situation. It could help cover medical expenses, pay off accumulated bills, make necessary home repairs, or simply provide a much-needed buffer in savings. But here's something crucial to keep in mind: scammers are already trying to take advantage of this situation. Remember, the Social Security Administration will never call you asking for personal information or payment to receive these deposits. If someone contacts you claiming to be from the government and asks for sensitive information, it's most likely a scam. Let's talk about the timing of these payments in more detail. The 6-day window was carefully chosen to minimize the impact on regular Social Security payment schedules. This means you'll still receive your regular monthly benefits according to the usual schedule, and these additional deposits will be completely separate. Many people are asking about the future implications of these payments. Will this affect future cost of living adjustments, COLA, or other benefits? The answer is no. These deposits are completely independent of regular Social Security benefits and won't impact future adjustments or benefits in any way. For those who receive multiple types of benefits, such as both Social Security Retirement and SSI, there's good news. You won't have to choose between benefits if you qualify under multiple categories. You'll still receive the full amount of both deposits. However, you'll need to meet the eligibility criteria for at least one category of benefits. The House's decision to approve these payments came after months of deliberation and careful consideration of the economic challenges facing Social Security recipients. The rising costs of healthcare, housing, and basic necessities have put significant pressure on fixed-income individuals, making these deposits particularly timely. The distribution of these funds will be one of the largest direct payment initiatives since the pandemic-era stimulus checks. The Social Security Administration has upgraded its systems to handle the increased load and prevent any technical issues that could delay the payments. For those who are currently living abroad but receive Social Security benefits, there's important information to consider. These deposits will be available to eligible recipients regardless of their country of residence, as long as they meet the basic eligibility criteria and have proper banking information on file. Looking ahead, many are asking if this could become a regular occurrence. While these specific deposits are currently a one-time measure, their implementation and success could influence future policy decisions regarding additional support for Social Security recipients. What should I do if I need help understanding my eligibility or have specific questions about my situation? The Social Security Administration is expanding its customer service capacity to handle inquiries about these payments. They'll have dedicated staff available to answer questions and assist with any concerns. It's important to understand that these deposits are part of a larger effort to address the financial challenges facing Social Security recipients. While they provide immediate relief, the government is also working on long-term solutions to ensure the sustainability and adequacy of Social Security benefits. For those who help manage the finances of a Social Security recipient, such as representative payees, there are specific guidelines to follow. The deposits will be subject to the same rules and restrictions as regular Social Security payments in terms of how they can be used and managed. These unprecedented deposits represent a significant opportunity for Social Security recipients to strengthen their financial position. Remember to take the necessary steps to ensure you receive both payments and stay vigilant against potential scams. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Social Security benefits and financial news that matters to you. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions about these deposits. I'll do my best to answer them in future videos. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might be eligible for these payments. Together, we can ensure everyone who qualifies receives the support they deserve. Until next time, stay informed and financially savvy.